In this video we are going to talk about the best cordless wet-dry vacuum in this year, which is Milwaukee 0880 to 2018-volt cordless wet-dry vacuum. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The M18 2-gallon wet-dry vacuum provides users with a powerful and portable wet-dry cleanup tool. A high-performance motor creates powerful suction for both wet and dry applications. Its stackable design and organized onboard storage keeps all of the attachments inside the unit for convenient transport and storage. The 0880 to 20 comes with a flexible hose, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and a certified HEPA filter. With 30+ minutes of runtime on AM18 red lithium high-demand 9.0 battery pack, it's ideal for extended spot and area cleanup. Working on all Milwaukee 18-volt slide-on batteries, Li-ion or NACD, the 0880 to 20 wet/dry vacuum offers long continuous runtime and high air power and suction to provide quick and easy removal of dust, debris, and water. A washable, reusable wet/dry filter using CleanStream 1 filtration technology delivers excellent fine dust collection and does not need to be changed between wet and dry applications. The stackable 2-pound design, onboard hose and accessory storage offer excellent portability and convenience. A built-in blower port allows the vacuum to double as a blower, and the 1 1/4-inch hose allows standard vacuum attachments to be fastened. It includes vacuum, filter, hose, a crevice tool, and a wide nozzle. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.